I-edit ko na lang. Okay.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
By the way, I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Ricardo Villaplana, and I am 37 years old, and I am the chairman of this company. And before we start, can you introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. My name is Leonidas Ana Maria M. Pabelana, and I'm residing right now at Oracuan, Barangay Mapagawang, Calamba City, Laguna. I'm 27 years old, and I'm graduated at City College of Calamba, taking the course Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
And why are you interested in this company?
Um, I'm interested in your company because your commitment in innovation and sustainability aligns with my personal values and professional goals. I admire your recent project in renewable energy and believe your company is making a significant impact in the industry.
Okay. What position are you applying for?
I am applying for IT specialist.
Why are you interested in this position?
Um, I'm interested in this position because it perfectly aligns with my background in project management and my passion for leading cross-functional teams. In my previous role at my previous company, I successfully managed several large projects from inception to completion, which improved operational efficiency by 20%. I'm excited about the opportunity to bring my experience to your team and contribute to you my knowledge.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
For me, sir, I don't expect anything. Just to prove my experience to you. It's up to you, sir.
Why did you leave your last job?
Um, they have been some organizational changes at my previous company that I have shifted the direction of my role.
Okay. What are your strengths?
My strength, sir, is every time I think about my family and their future, I always um, motivate. I always motivate when I'm think about their future, our future together.
And what are your weaknesses?
I have a tendency to be perfectionist, which can sometimes lead to spending too much time on details. To manage this, I've been working on setting more realistic deadlines and reminding myself that not every task requires perfection.
So, why did you leave your last job?
I leave my last job, sir. Because they have been some organizational changes at my previous company, like I said before.
Okay. So, here's my last question. Why should we hire you over other qualified candidates?
Um, Sometimes, sir, I have find it difficult to ask for help because there was a time I've been some organizational changes and I'm seeking a better work-life balance and a company culture that support my knowledge.
So, okay, that's all. Um, let's proceed to the final interview, and just wait a call from my secretary to call you once this interview is okay and you pass the screening. So, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, and good luck.
Thank you, sir.
See you in this company.
Thank you, sir.